Hello fellow traders, I'm coming at you today. I'm making a call here today. This is the top of this little uptrend we started. I'm going to go over why, but this is it. You know, we topped, we came down, we came up, we've had 2 days of testing. Here it is. Check this out. So this first line is from our March low here. Okay, it comes across here, comes up right here. This I have went over. I'm sure everybody's watching this. This is when our, rally finally broke down off the March 09 lows. I mean, this is the real first breakdown. Okay, perfect. Look at the volume. Just like when you go back in July 07 when things started to turn over, you see these and the market went up like to new highs, but you kind of saw the signs there. I like this, but this is what I'm looking at right here. Off of that little flattening period that everybody was tripping on, I only caught the end of it, but this is when the market went flat for a while. Then we had our little sell-off, and then this is pretty much where the market should have stopped its rally. This is, I think, complete and utterly fluff. The fluff. Okay? Because right about here at 8750, 8800, that was a good top to the rally and a nice pullback, which we had, boom, to 8175 area. If you follow my post, this was a good time to really enter some nice longs with some stops. I missed it. That was it, though, because if you go back like, December 08 when we were right here, this is where I was calling kind of the 8100 was the bottom, and we were going to see 10,000 before 5,000. Then we had our drop down to 6,500 and then to 10,000. It was like the big shakeout right there. Okay? That's why I call this completely the fluff of the fluff right here. If anything, the market should have trended, from here to 9,000, back down to like 7,500, 9,000. I thought it was going to be in that range for a while. I still think it is. I think these like levels, I know what they're saying, and, they're pumping this. I can't believe it. Remember, interest rates are at zero. There's no give. There's no equity. I can go on and on, but this is what I'm liking. You come across all these bottoms. We broke through that too. Once we broke this, we broke that. We battled it there. We've come up and touched it right here. Then we came back. And if you can see right there, these two upper wicks on these last 2 days, these candlesticks, they keep dinking it and dinking it. Okay? I think this is it. This is the tester. It's, it's kind of floated up. It's dinked it. It's dinked it. It's, my calls were going down to the 9650 from here. This will be our next spot. We're going to trace down here. If we break through here, we're going to go do that double top, but I don't see it happening because it's too weak. When we came through the 50 on this solid white candlestick, the volume was just nothing. The day before was a little heavier, but the volume there was peaty after this, through this whole week. That was the peatiest volume where it broke through the 50 right there. Okay? And then we dinked it. Watch. It's definitely going to get interesting if we break above that, My call as we're going down from here, that was the tester right there. I picked up some more FAS in the 16s yesterday. I got stopped out of my SunPower. When it turned around, I picked up some more of that, half of my position. I unloaded that today right up at like 1995-ish. I'm still holding Eagle. I'm still holding Game. I took a little hit on that, but I was just starting to build a position. I picked a little more up there in the low 6s. So I got my Eagle, my Game, my Faz. Come on, Jazz. You guys know I'm short Jazz, and I'm really just eating it on that one. I need that thing to pull back to 35 at least so I can take my little loss and get out. Earnings are coming up. Nervous on that one. Good luck.